What's the meaning of cautiousness? Cautiousness. Cautiousness.
Cautiousness. Cautiousness. Cautiousness refers to the quality of being careful and attentive to potential dangers or risks. It involves a sense of prudence and thoughtfulness in decision-making, taking into account all relevant information before proceeding. A cautious person may avoid taking unnecessary risks or making impulsive choices, preferring instead to carefully weigh the pros and cons of different options. Being cautious can help prevent accidents, mistakes, and unforeseen consequences, and is often considered a valuable trait in both personal and professional contexts.